How to send photos in TikTok message. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can send photos in TikTok message. The first step is to open TikTok app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for TikTok. Now, you want to have this application installed on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option. Now, you want to log into your account by entering all of your credentials. Once you have been logged in, if you want to send a message, tap on the inbox option. Then from here you can select any profile that you want to send the message into. You can also search for it if you want. Now here, normally the way you send a message is simply type in a text and then tap on this paper plane icon and the message is sent. However, if you want to send pictures, then there are two things you can do. If you want to take a picture and send it, tap on this camera icon. Now take a picture. If you want to edit it, you can add text, stickers or filters. If not, tap on the send option. And as you can see, the picture has been sent. If you want to send a picture from your gallery, then you want to tap on this image icon. From here, select any picture that you want. Then tap on the send option. As you can see, the picture has been sent. You can send videos in the same way as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.